How to check all the elements in a list that has a specific requirement. I'm doing a homework about a heart game with different version. It says that if we are given a list my cards that contains all the cards that player currently hold in their hands. And play is a single card that representing a potential card dot, and if all their cards contain either heart H or queen of spades Qs, it is going to return true. For example, it will return true. This is what I have tried. But I think my codes just check 1 Qs and 1 H in the list. How to make the codes that contain all either Qs or H.
Your description maps directly to the solution. Edited for clarity.
Since it's your homework, I'm not going to provide you with ready-made code. Smile. Iterate over the list using a loop. For e.g., at each iteration you have to check either any of the two conditions are true or not. If card is either queen of spade or a heart above, condition will be true. Hope you get it till now. And if the condition is not true, simply return false. If all the elements in your lists are checked by the loop and yet no false returned, hence the all cards are either queen of spade or a heart, so return true after the loop ends. Try on your own for a while. If still not getting, I'll post the code at your request, but you'll have to show me what you tried. P. Edit. Since you've tried it, I'm posting code too.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.